Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to release a Whirlpool stuck washer door. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As I said before, if you have a Whirlpool washer just like this one right here and you have a stuck washer door, this is the video for you. I will be going over 4 simple methods to hopefully release the door and allow you to open it up. Let's get right into this video tutorial. So you want to release that stuck washer door. The first thing that you got to do, number 1, is unplug it. Wait a few minutes and plug it back in again. Now you see most modern appliances are built in with like motherboards and basically mini computers inside of them. That's how all of this works up here, okay? And essentially sometimes there are errors in, there's a glitch in the computer, in the motherboard, whatever the case is, there's a glitch that's happening. By unplugging it and waiting a few minutes and plugging it back in, you are essentially resetting the system, and hopefully that allows it to release that door. So that's the first thing. That's if it's like a glitch that's causing the door to stay locked within the computer system, within the washer machine, within the clothes washing machine. By unplugging it, you're going to hopefully help that out. If that doesn't work, you're going to move on to number 2. Number 2 is to, the second method for releasing a Whirlpool stuck washer door. Number 2 is to give it a decently firm pull. So I know when you open your washer regularly, you're just going to give it a pull like that. But it might be a mechanical issue where the door is misaligned. And if the door is misaligned ever so slightly and it's giving you difficulty opening it, you don't want to try and yank it off because then you might break it. But you want to give it, instead of like a light pull like that, you can give it like a decent pull. Nothing crazy, but just like one of those, okay? But don't apply too much pressure because we don't want to break anything. If that doesn't help you out, you're going to move on to number 3, which is to hit it with your hand while pulling away. And you're not going to hit it super hard, but you do want to hit it decently. So basically, maybe the lock is kind of frozen in place. And if that's the case, because number 2 was give it a decent pull, which had to do with the door being misaligned, but maybe the lock is slightly stuck. If it's a problem with the lock, essentially you want to be pulling away and just give it one of these, just like that. Just a little, nothing crazy, but just a little hit, okay? Like I said, we're not trying to break it here, so just give it a little hit, okay? And if that doesn't help you out, you're going to move on to number 4 for your washer door. No pun intended, no rhyme intended. I'm kidding, I meant to rhyme there. But number 4 is to loop a thin piece of rope or even fishing line around the locking part to manually release the lock. So right over here, there's essentially a locking mechanism, as you can see over here. It's within this. And what you can do is you can try to manually release the lock. Depends on the washer. It might work, it might not. But essentially, you want to try and get a fishing line behind there, or a thick, not a thick, but like a strong piece of thin rope. And you want to try and wiggle it down. And if that doesn't work, then you can go from the underside and wiggle it up. And try and get something to sort of go there, and that might work. It all depends on the model of the washer and how the locking mechanism works, but that is an idea that you can try out. And that's it. If you like this instructional video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.